COVID-19, is this word frightening everyone? I guess so. In 2020, a lot of businesses were affected, some even closed down already. For those businesses that is still functioning, bosses are worried about whether they can find enough revenue to sustain their business, whether they can pay rental and staff salary. Ladies and gentlemen, if you work for someone, you'll be wondering whether your company is still be around by next year. You'll be asking whether you can cope with stress and the changing roles and function in your organization. You'll be wondering whether work from home is the ideal environment for you. Plus your personal life activities that you can't do in the MCO situation. If you are a jobless person, you'll be wondering whether you can find enough money to put food on the table. Whatever situation you're in, I have good news for you. I'm the author of You Are a Masterpiece, No Matter How Broken You Are. I'd like to invite you to my 90-minute free webinar where you will learn 7 proven strategies, and all you need to do is click the link below, register yourself, bring some of your friends, and learn together how to see results immediately when you apply the 7 strategies that I share with you. My name is Jackson Ng. I'm the author of this book, You Are a Masterpiece, No Matter How Broken You Are, and I'd like to see you in my free webinar. Thank you for watching this video.